see what goes on behind the scenes. Boys hanging out the window, trying to get some rollers. See the car right there. I'm gonna go this way.
And then you stop the pop flow by. I'll speed up a little. Oh, that bump.
Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2021 Mazda 3 hatchback. It's the turbo all-wheel drive model. So as you can see, it has a really nice exterior paint color. I'm not sure what this is called, but it looks really good. And the wheels are blacked out. I'm not sure if that's a standard option for the lower base models, but yeah, it looks really good. And then you can see there's a black front lip, and the side splitter is also black. The engine bay, super clean because this is a new car. It has the Skyactiv G turbo badging on there. Let's see, what else? The lights got this little halo daylight running light. And if you go to the back, you can see there's a little bit of refreshes to the back. Most notably, the rear diffuser is really nice. I believe this is a redesign from the 2019 and onward, or from the 2019. And then you can see that it does have the turbo badging, and the all-wheel drive is next to the Mazda 3. Let's move on to the interior. So definitely one of the most appealing parts of the Mazda's newer cars is the interior. As you can see, this is with the red interior. It's really stunning. Great contrast from the gray paint, and you know, just having dark features mixed with red is always pretty good. So let's sit down. This is the driver's seat. This is basically the same as the newer Mazdas, so 2018 and onward. It's basically the same, but that familiarity is really nice, especially if you're coming from just a little bit of an older Mazda. But here you go. It's really nice. The leather quality, solid. It does have a Bose sound system, so you can expect the stock sound system to sound pretty good. The rear also has this little metal finish right here for the trunk. I really do like it. It makes it definitely feel more premium. But let's have a look at the hatch. Very spacious. That's one thing that's really good about having hatches, is they're very spacious and they look really stylish. You could peek the red interior from the back. But yeah, overall this is a really nice car. It does have a lot of pickup to it, especially being all-wheel drive, so when you step on it, it really does go. But we're gonna get some exhaust clips right now, and then maybe a little bit of a acceleration test. So hopefully you guys liked that video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. The video was kind of all over the place because this is the first time I've done like a walk around slash, you know, review of a car. But I'll see you guys in the next upload.